Well, that's not what you want to wake up to in the morning. We come out to your truck. Luckily, I didn't actually wake up to it. We seen it yesterday when we got back from the city, looked at it, and it is the coolant reservoir. So, had to order a new one, and let's pop the hood and see what's going on. Luckily, I was able to order a coolant reservoir overnight. There's the old coolant reservoir, and it's leaking right up under here. I don't know if I can get a good video of it, but yeah, that's where it's leaking from. So we're gonna pull this old one out and get the new one in. First thing we're gonna do is get these hoses off. Oh, there goes coolant. I knew that was gonna happen. Not really a whole lot I could do. So there we just lost all the coolant inside the reservoir. Ah. All right. Now we're gonna unbolt it. Probably one of the easiest things to do in here under the hood is changing out this reservoir. Not really a whole lot to it. It's just messy. There's the old one. Let's see. There's a few cracks in it. There's a crack here. There's a crack here. Yeah, a few cracks in it. So let's get the new one in. The new one even came with a lid. So let's install this thing. And it fits. It is the right one. Cool. Let's get the hoses back on. Now we just gotta fill her up. Oh, I made a little bit more of a mess. I'm gonna fill her up, but I don't have any coolant. And I can't drive her like that. So, Rose took the gray truck to work. So I guess I'm gonna take the Harley. Now I'm normally the person to say, dress for the slide, not the ride. Today, I wore shorts. I've always wore jeans, boots, whatever. First time going out with shorts and hey dudes. And forget the slide. That sucker's hot. That exhaust is hot. And I'm missing a few hairs on my leg right now. Always owned bikes, always had bikes, but today was the first time I went and wore my shorts because I was already wearing shorts. I was like, okay, I'm just going to O'Reilly's and back. And we got coolant for the beast. Now we can finish what we started. Due to my lack of preparedness, had to take the Harley and go get some coolant because didn't have any. So here we go. Let's fill her up. Red coolant for the diesel. Chug, 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 chug. All right, let that drain down a bit. Still drinking? I think it's still drinking. Still going down a little bit. I got another one. And another one. Went and got two just in case. Don't think it'll take a third. Wait. Now this new one does not have a full line, but I know about where the full line was on the other one, so just fill it up to there. Maybe we'll get a Sharpie and just mark it for full. That way I can remember. But yeah, let's start her up. So we'll go ahead and start her up and then see if it goes down a little bit and need to add more. So let's see. Cold start because I have not started her today. Yeah, she fires right up. Check for leaks. I'm not seeing any. Are y'all seeing any? Think of it. When you buy an old truck like this, you can't expect it to run perfect, be perfect. This truck's a 2003, so that's what, 23 years old. So we're gonna have a few quirks here and there. We just gotta get them worked out. Something breaks, upgrade it. You know, you find the weak points and make them stronger. So today was a coolant reservoir. That was a weak point. We went and got a new one. That's not 20 something years old, brand new. Had it overnighted and got her installed today. So I'm gonna be doing more stuff with this truck. If nothing else, this truck is just giving me more content to post. So you guys like, share, comment. Appreciate your support and have a great day.